In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add channels to favorites on Sling TV. In order to do that, you first need to head over here to your TV and make sure to open Sling from there. Now, in order to add your channel to your favorites, I have in here this help article that can help us. Now, from in there, you just need to actually click on the heart sign next to the channel logo to add it to your favorites. Search in here for a particular channel and click on the heart sign right there, and it should be able to be added on your favorites directly. So it's actually just as easy as that. So it's simple, and as soon as you log into the app, you can see this heart icon, so make sure to click on that. So Sling TV is known for its easy to use, navigate, user interface, and it's also a low-cost streamer, which is a favorite here as well. So it also use or hosts user-friendly features from easy to program guide for 50 hours of cloud TV or storage included with every subscription. So here is the subscription price for Sling TV, and they have in here limited time for 50% off for the first month. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.